So Kalia, Big Boy Weatherspoons, and literally I've got fish and chips here. Cool, look at that, just before the game. So Spidey, say hello.
Hello.
You've got your Big Boy burger there.
Yeah.
What do you rate it?
I haven't even tried it yet.
Oh. And he's watching Kempy's channel, that's the video.
Subscribe.
Burger review. Predictions?
2-1 Norwich.
2-1? Oh,
Norwich.
2-1 guys. Right, so that fish and chips was really nice.
Yes.
Did you enjoy your burger?
Yes, I did.
Yes, he actually did. So yeah, on to the game. They play Sheffield Wednesday, who's unfortunately down to, let's go this way, down to League One. Very unfortunate, but yeah, hopefully it's going to be a win today as well.
Yeah, we hope
Did
so.
you say 2-1?
Yeah, that's my prediction.
I
2-1.
think, although we did lose to Birmingham, recent results have been very good under the new manager Philip Clement.
Yeah.
So on paper, we should win. I reckon it's going to be a 4-0. You know, 4-0.
4-0.
I predict 4-0. That's my score.
I'm predicting 2-1.
You predict 2-1. So you think they'll score?
Yeah, maybe. You never know.
Fair.
You never
But
know.
yeah.
So that's why I'm just saying. It
But
could
yeah.
be 2-1. I'm not gonna. Yeah. I'm saying safe.
Fair enough. Fair
I'm
enough.
gonna say safe.
But yeah. Now off to the game, and yeah, you're not going to the game though.
No, I'm not.
Not tonight.
I wish I could.
If this video gets 10 or 100 likes, he'll go. I'll take him to his first game at Carrow Road for a league game.
You know what? You know what?
What?
If it gets to 50 likes, you take me to a game.
Yeah,
if it
50
gets
likes,
to, if it
take
gets
you
to
to a game.
100 likes, I don't have to pay you back, and you still take me to
Wait,
a
what? Alright, that was a joke, by the way.
Yeah, that was a joke.
Anyway, like and subscribe, and yeah.
Subscribe. If you don't, Interstellar is coming for you.
Alright. Here they come, we're behind the goal today. Yeah, it's every Wednesday, fans. Oh, sit. Yeah! Come on! Don't know where that went in. Is that in? Here they come. Show the shot. No! Lucky! They come Wednesday. Oh. Shoot! Oh. Corner! That'll be half time in. Norwich City 2, Sheffield Wednesday 0. That'll be half time in. Norwich City 2, Sheffield Wednesday 0. Previous half the Canaries. Pretty much the same. Sheffield Wednesday, not many chances at all really. It's been mostly Norwich, so oh my goodness, they actually scored. Oh, go in! Shoot! Oh! Shoot! Oh! Norwich just put on. No, Norwich City have just put off Chris Gorham, who was up front. He came off Torre, but now he's gone up. So we'll put Medic on the pitch, who is actually a defender, but he's for some reason now in the striker position. So yeah, this is very random. Shoot! Oh! Sheffield Wednesday nil! Big clap for the Wednesday supporters. Massive shout for Sheffield Wednesday, by the way. They've done so well for their fans to get all this way. Yeah, of course, and they've won it clean. So last time they'll be seeing it. But yeah, it's a good win for the Canaries. Another 3 points in the battle. Stay up in this league. Yes guys, and it's full time. Yes guys, and it ended up with another win for the Canaries. Norwich City 2, Sheffield Wednesday 0. Yeah, what can I really say about this game? Norwich played well, especially in the first half. We did miss a lot of chances. It felt like more as like a pre-season friendly type game, because obviously substitutions, the tactics. We had, what's his name, Paris. He scored a goal when it was 2-0, but substitution at half time. So yeah, it was a very good test for the Canaries. But yeah, we move on. Leicester away. Very tough game. And yeah, like and subscribe, and we'll be back for more football videos very soon.